Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Krishna and me and my team have worked on this project called Edulearn. Now before explaining about the features of the project, I would like you to tell why we chose this project. When I started to learn to code, there were tons and tons of resources in the internet. I found myself bouncing between YouTube videos, blogs and many websites. It was very overwhelming for me and which made my journey of learning to code very long. That is why we created Edulearn, a single platform where everything you need to learn is available in one place. No more switching between multiple sources, no more distraction, just focused learning. Edulearn comes with structured lessons, resources and progress tracking, making it simple and efficient for anyone to learn. Okay, before explaining about features of our project, I would like you to tell about the tech stack that we use. For front end, we use HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and on the back end, we use Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB for our data. And for question generation, we use the API of Perplexity. And finally, we use tools like Cors and Helmet for our security and stability. Now let's dive into the features of our project Edulearn. First, let's sign up. Okay, this is our dashboard. Here the user can track their overall progress and their recent activity. Okay, now let's go to the practice DSA section. Practice DSA section is where we have included a set of hand-picked and most important coding questions. Instead of going through thousands and thousands of problems, user can directly focus on the most relevant ones. These questions are carefully chosen to cover all the key concepts needed for getting a grip on DSA. Now let's see how it works. For example, if you want to practice any, for example, let's say we want to practice stack. If you click here, this will redirect to LeetCode website and you can practice the code here. Okay, now let's go to the topics tab. The topics tab is where we have added all the various commonly asked questions by the interviewers. This helps the learners to get a hold of what questions they might face in real interviews and help them practice. For example, if you want to prepare JavaScript, you click on Start Learning. And on clicking Start Learning, you can set the difficulty level you want and you can set the number of questions. This makes the preparation more personalized and more focused. Okay. After attending the quiz, we get the scores. And we get the answers so that the user can learn what mistake they are making. Now, after we attended our first quiz, the activity has come in our dashboard. So now let's go to AI Tutor. So AI Tutor is nothing but a chat bot where you can ask various questions and the AI tutor is ready to answer anytime. And finally, we have deployed both our front end and back end on render. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.